Step 1. Enter the website. We can translate the web page from Chinese to English using Chrome built-in translation tool. Options. Change language. From Chinese to English. Translate. Enter user ID. User ID typically is mobile phone number or email address. Enter password. Login. Right-click. Translate to English. Agree with the disclaimer. Picture match. There are 3 modes. Upload detection image is comparing detection image with images in reference gallery. Upload PDF file is extracting images in PDF file and compare images with images in reference gallery. Article image self-examination is extract images from PDF file and find duplicated images. Here's a science paper. I found it on PubPeer. In Figure 2b, there are 2 images that are almost the same. And in Figure 2c, these 2 images are similar, because one is generated by rotating another. Let's use article image self-examination mode to find the duplicated images. Select the file and wait until uploading finished. Then submit matching task. It takes about 30 seconds to run a matching task. If multiple users have submitted tasks at the same time, task will be queued. If matching has not finished, the status is matching. Here it is translated to during comparison by mistake. We can push the refresh button to get the latest status. Let's translate the page to English. Number of images in PDF. Number of images that are as reference. As with matching between images in the same PDF file, so the detection images number is the same as reference images number. Images are classified into 4 categories: photo, distribution, chart, annotation. We classify images by artificial intelligence algorithm because the concern of duplication of different categories are different. For example, annotations like arrows, icons, marks, they may duplicate, but we don't care. But if 2 photos are duplicated, we can't accept. We can see it successfully found 2 images that has 92% similarity. This image consists of 4 parts. The first one tells us area in the red box is overlap. The second one is a registered image, which mapping all pixels in the red box to their original places in the reference image. The second and the third part shows the key point mapping of registered detection image and reference image. The fourth part is a merged image. Registered detection image and reference image are in red and green channel respectively. Overlap area turned yellow. Heat map, contour plot, and dot plot like flow cytometry image are classified as distribution plot. Here we can see the 2 plots are almost the same except for the text label. Thanks for watching. See you next time.